Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back to EA Sports. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cebulski, getting set to call all the action here. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
A sight every hockey fan can appreciate. It's a clean sheet of ice, and we are about to get underway. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. This has been one we've been waiting for a while, and it's time to finally see what the payoff is all about. Beat the goaltender, but couldn't beat the post. Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play. Kennedy is going off for hooking.
It doesn't take very long to get on the wrong side of the play. You're a step behind. You've got to slow that guy down. You can't catch him. Maybe you can get away with a hook. Not here.
Just tried to play catch-up and got burned. Here's the first look at the power play.
Well, James, statistically, we know that you score the first goal of the game, you're going to win well over 55% of the time. So that first goal is critical. Now you've got a great chance because you're on the power play.
Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And a great save. Denies him again.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close. Well, what a quick reflex stop that is. Great scoring chance.
Team Italy's got it in the offensive zone. Takes the puck as the clock ticks down on the penalty kill. Dumps it into the O-zone. Italy's got the puck along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Moves it around along the half wall. Point-to-point pass. From the point. Shot tipped. Trying to end this siege. And they finally catch a moment to breathe.
Man, those guys are gassed. Hard work to finally get the puck out.
On the attack along the boards. Back at the point, they set it up. Oh, what a stop! Takes the feed from the goaltender. Tries to get it out of their own end. Both teams back to even strength. Really nice effort by the penalty-killing unit on that one. Denies him!
And he came out and challenged him. Good save.
Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Frank's got it on the offensive end. Takes a shot. Big chest save as he gobbled that one up with the trapper. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Team Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Handles the puck. Takes the pass. Into the offensive end now. Centering pass. Here's a shot. Too easy with the glove.
This is a quality chance that the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Handles the puck at the point. With some momentum driving towards the net. There's the whistle stopping play. Penalty coming up here. And the official signaling for hooking on the play.
You got to move your feet here. You're chasing the play. As soon as you stop your feet, you're going to get called.
Power play unit comes out for the face-off.
Their first power play of the game. The game is scoreless, and now they'll start offensive zone face-off. Move the puck around, get it to the net, and try and impose your will on the other team.
Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Gets it out of his own end. Latvia's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes it across the blue line. Hammers a shot, turns it aside. Off the try, and a nice job locking up his opponent. And manages to clear the zone. Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. And he slides it quickly to Girgensons. To his teammate. Redirect in front. Stayed by the goaltender who stayed with it on the redirect.
Girgensons trying to tip the momentum a little bit here. There's no goals. It's the first period, but that's a big hit.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Locks it. He scores!
Well, they've been hoping that the extra work they've done on the power play would help them capitalize. They do a nice job there. Sometimes you just gotta put your hands up and say, I can't do any more than that. He did all he could to try and stop that puck.
Team Latvia's got the opening goal in this contest.
So much time left, but it just feels better to play with the lead, and they must be pretty happy to score that quickly.
Grabs the puck at center.
On the power play by number 23, Teddy.
And they'll dump it in.
By number 21.
Italy's going to play the puck from behind the cage.
71, height of the goal.
Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Oh, that's a good hit. There's the whistle. Offside is the call. Nearing the midway mark of the period. 1-0 the score. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Over the line they come. Puck battle along the boards. And it's freed up over to his teammate with a nice kick pass. That goes off a twig. Great poise here as he gets it back. Loves the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Latvia's got control of it now from their own end. With possession along the wall. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Referee's got his hand up, signaling a delayed penalty. And there's the whistle stopping the play. Let's see what the officials are calling. Charging the call on the hit. Maybe a little too much aggression there.
Yeah, he had it on a beeline right towards him. Does not turn, does not slow down. When he makes the hit, the referee's arm goes up immediately.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
There's another power play for them, James. They've already scored on the power play tonight, so they must have some pretty good feel for it. They also have to be aware the penalty killers will adjust. They will have to too.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. A chance on goal. Sacrifices the body. Gets it out of his own end. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Bukarts takes it across the line. Manages to hang on. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Across the point. Unloads one. Oh, comes up with a stop. Trying to get it out. And a nice job by the Killers on that one.
Yeah, now they can get a change, get some fresh players on the ice.
Takes it from the other side of the blue line. Hammers one. Off target.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Team Latvia's got the puck along the wall. Here they come on the attack. A chance in front. That's turned aside from the blocker. Got to give the penalty killers a lot of credit as the penalty expires.
Well, no goal on that power play. They were able to move the puck around, and I guess at times it looked dangerous, but just nothing really going on the power play. They let that one slip through their fingers.
Takes a shot, just wide of the net. Into the corner. Big-time defensive play.
Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Carries it in. Here's an odd man rush. Gets to the bench for the extra attacker. Puck lands back onto a stick. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Penalty coming up here as the play is stopped. The good old-fashioned hook is sending him off to the box.
He's almost in the right position, but he's got to give him a little hook. When he gives that tug, he goes to the penalty box. It gets called every time.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
Down one, a chance to tie on the power play. What a great chance for them here. But you can't stress. You have to be confident and aggressive, but don't force anything.
And manages to clear the zone. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Here's a short pass to Frank. Big stop by the keeper.
He's sharp on that one. Nowhere to go for the puck.
A chance to get it out of harm's way here on this penalty kill. Takes the feed.
Well, I love the way they've played this shift. They've protected the puck well, but now they've got it and they can run around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Knocked away. Nice feed inside the offensive zone from the boards. Comes up with the stop.
James, we'll go back and take another look at that hit. What an enormous crunch that he took. His helmet flies off. I can tell you one thing. My chin strap was on there a lot tighter than that.
More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Here's an opportunity to get the puck out of their own end. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, it's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Both sides back to even strength. Comes up with the stop.
Oh, they're going to rue that one. A chance to even the score here. They didn't get it done. And we go back to even strength.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Slides the puck across. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Delayed penalty coming up here. Looks like slashing is the call. Here comes the call from the official. Well, the official's going to give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Well, they've earned another power play, James. Of course, that starts with an offensive zone face-off. They've had success earlier in the game. They'll want to double up on that now if they can.
Another stop by the goaltender. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat. Gets it out of his own end. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Looking to break out here on the power play. Gergensen plays it against the boards. Here's a shot. Makes the save as he got a blocker on it. Italy's got a chance to work the transition game now, shorthanded. Handles it along the blue line. Right in the slot. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Team Latvia's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. Trying to clear the zone. Finally, Ray.
Yeah, they do get it down the ice. I thought they held their structure pretty good. They tried to clear the puck a couple times, couldn't get it out. Now they're exhausted. Finally, they can get a change.
Moves the puck. Solid shorthanded performance there as both teams are now back to even strength.
Well, the penalty killers can go back to the bench knowing they did their job. Score remains the same as it was when that penalty was taken.
Oh, they forced the turnover. This could turn into something. Again, the denial by the goaltender.
Quick work. He makes 1 and 2 saves in a row. That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Latvia's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. Carries it across the line. Into the corner now. Nice pass. Can't connect. Big time stop there. Along the half wall with the puck. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play.
He's trying to do too much with the puck there. They're already ahead. This is a time for safety.
Good hit to knock the puck loose. And they send it right back to him. Team Italy's ready to go on the attack. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Back to the blue line. Takes the feed. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Now he takes it over the line. He got hammered.
Yeah, did he ever. Now he's got to go pick up his stick. Pretty tough to play the rest of the game without one of those.
On the attack along the boards. Team Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Grabs it in his own end. Up along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that one's broken up. Trying to shake the defender. All alone. What a chance, and he misses. With the bank pass. Lowers the boom with that hit. Gets the puck back onto his stick. With possession along the wall. Wrist shot from the slot. Big time stop with the glove.
Yeah, he flashes the leather there to make the stop on a really difficult chance. Wow, did that sound like it hurts? You crash somebody against the boards like that, and there's nowhere to go.
Late goings of this period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. First period nearly in the books here. Through center along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Oh, great core strength to hang on to the puck after that. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. And he misses.
That's a good scoring opportunity. He doesn't capitalize on a grade A chance.
Back to the point it goes. From point blank. Stick save from the goaltender. And the first period comes to an end. 1-0 is the score as both teams make their way to the respective rooms.
Are you ready for your walk down memory lane? Then join us for our fantasy camp. Play hockey with your childhood.
2 more periods still to come. We'll be right back with much more action here on EA Sports. Second period set to get underway. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. 1 period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Really like the way both goaltenders have attacked the game. They haven't been passive. They've been out on top of the crease. Just 1 goal despite many chances in that first period.
Italy's got the puck behind the net. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Set it out in front. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Puck picked up in the open ice. Nice pass back. Kennens has the puck against the half wall. And that one's stopped.
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Latvia's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Takes it across the blue line. Puts it on net. Makes the save. Lots of time left in this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Scoops up the puck now. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Slides the puck over. Takes a nice feed up through the middle now. Here's a shot. Comes up on the blocker save. Team Latvia's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Latvia's got it from behind the net. Team Latvia's got the puck in the defensive end. Kolda's got it in the offensive zone. Rocks him on the play. Works it across to Frank. Puts it on net and makes the easy glove save.
He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Latvia's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Hammers one from the point. Makes the save on the slapper. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. Feeds it down low. Along the half wall with the puck. Knocked away. Over the line they come. Centering pass. Right in the scores! All over the rebound, and he puts it in.
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Team Italy's evened the score here in the second.
I've liked the way they've played this period. They've had pucks to the net, and they look like they've been pretty aggressive. They've now got the equalizer.
Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Pass back to the point. Can't connect. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Here they come on the attack. Right on the doorstep. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Sends the cross-ice pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Team Italy's got the puck along the wall. Taken by Larkin. And he gains the zone here. Latvia's got it behind the net. Just bashes him against the boards.
Don't worry, James. You're safe up there. Down here, that sounded like a car crash.
Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Carries it in. Sends a pass over. Puck scooped up by Larkin. Long pass into the neutral zone. Great defensive stick work on the play. Handles the puck. Hammers it on net. Dropper save. We haven't even hit the midway mark of the period. We are all tied up in this one. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Into the offensive zone. Comes up with the steal. Oh, and he gets leveled. You can see this one coming.
Some players love to score goals. He loves to deliver big hits.
Close, but not close enough.
Now he's got to get that on target. That's a scoring chance, and he doesn't even make the goaltender make a save.
Italy's got it in their own zone. Carries it across the line. Play whistle dead because of an offside.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Puck is dropped and play resumes. That's just a great heads-up read at center ice. Here's an offensive chance. Takes a wrist shot, denies him in front. Coughs it up on the play. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. Easily turned away by the goalie's glove. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Moves the puck into the attacking area. Takes the feed at the back end. Into the corner of the attacking area. Gets a glove on it to make the save! Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Looks to set up at the point now. Way off target. Bank pass off the boards. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Centering pass in front. With possession along the wall. Hammers a shot. Misses wide of the net. Taken along the wall by Gergensons. Oh, makes the save. That was a rocket. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Misses just up and over.
Nobody's going to be able to block that unless they're way off target like his shot was.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Takes a shot. Stopped by the goaltender. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand, charging the call on the play.
Traveled too much distance to make that hit.
Back to the face-off circle. They'll send the man advantage unit out again.
I'm not so sure anybody's been really happy with the power play here. It's been just average tonight. Some good, some really bad, and they're looking for something a little more positive on this one.
Team Latvia's got a hold of it along the wall. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Slides it back to the blue line. Puts it to the front of the net. Trying to clear from the defensive zone. And clearing attempt is a big success on that play. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And makes the save. Past the midway mark in this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. The frozen biscuits dropped and we are back underway here. And manages to clear the zone. Team Latvia's gained possession along the boards. Takes it across the blue line. Drives it to the front of the net. Takes the feed at the point. From point blank. Stopped by the goaltender.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Both teams back to even strength as the power play expires, and we are still tied here.
Well, these penalty killers have been on the same page from the drop of the puck tonight. They have been outstanding when they've been a man down.
And he comes up with it. Over the line they come. Takes the pass. And he connects with the long bomb. Along the half wall with the puck. Team Italy's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Larkin's got it along the wing. Quick pass to Larkin. Nears the blue line and looks to set up at the point. Great pressure, forcing the turnover. Glove saved by the goalie.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Takes the feed. Back at the point, they set it up. Lets it go. Shuts him down. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Slides the puck ahead into the neutral zone. And that's broken up. Moves the puck. Gets the puck in deep. Italy's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Handles the puck at the point. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Knocks it away with the paddle. Great poke check. Quick feed down low. Move to the middle. Moves the puck behind the net. Here's a shot. Stopped by the goaltender.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Here in the dying moments of this period, it's all tied up. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Bukarts brings it in. They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Here's the pass, and that's broken up. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes the puck behind the net. What a stop.
Yeah, that's a race to the post. The goalie wins it there, gets the pad flat to make the save.
Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Nice pass. Moves it to Frank. They've got the defense outnumbered. Sends it across. Poked away from danger. Excellent stick work on the play. Into the offensive end now. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. On the attack along the boards. Back on a stick now. Takes that pass back at the point. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Sends it down low. Turns it away. Moves it quickly over to Larkin. And now he moves it quickly to Frank. Frank's got it against the boards. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive. He's got a stride. Oh, great defensive play.
One thing to get back and break it up, another not to take a penalty on the play.
And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him. That's going to rattle your molars around there. That is an enormous hit that he took.
Here in the late goings of the period, we got a tie game. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Here they come on the attack. And nearing the final minute of the second.
Last minute of play in the second period.
With possession along the wall. Takes the feed. And there's the save. Team Italy's got it in their own zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. And there's the save. Carries it in. Sends the pass down low. There's the end of period number 2. We are still tied at 1.
Looking for the latest news, scores, and statistics? Check out our team website for video highlights, player features, and great merchandise from our online store.
Don't go anywhere. Third period is just around the corner. Welcome back, everyone. He's Ray. I'm James. Third period action ready to go. This one's still deadlocked as we are now underway here in the third. Loves the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Blocker save.
Oh, he had to get up tight to the puck. In close, he takes away any room.
Receives the pass. Stopped by the goaltender.
Dead center, excellent save.
Strong defensive effort. Carries it across the line. Snapper from the slot. Blocked in traffic. Slides that one right across the blue line. Off the one-timer. Just wide.
They say it's a game of inches, James. If that puck is a couple of inches to the side, that hits the post and goes in.
Stopped by the goaltender. Kennens takes it along the wing. Italy's got the puck. Into the corner. Quick feed to Larkin. Flash from the point. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We are all tied up in this one. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here he is in front. And it looked like he caught him with a high stick. Referee signaling penalty on the play. Let's see the call here. I think it's fair to say that that stick got up a little too high. I like this call.
That's a good call, but the coach is going to tell his player, keep your stick on the ice, make the same hit. There's no chance of a penalty then.
And they'll roll the power play unit right back out.
Well, you can tell these guys must be bubbling with confidence here, James, because they've already scored on the power play tonight, and so they get another chance. They must feel good they have the formula tonight.
28 seconds.
And it's kicked away. Here's a chance right in front. Stones him in front. He scores! They take the lead.
Well, it looked like this game was going to be even for the longest time because nobody seemed to have the upper hand. Get to the net. That's where the goals are. The rebound sits there and he puts it away.
Latvia's up by one now here in this third period.
You don't have much breathing room, but I guess it's better to be in front than behind. They'll want to continue to try to forecheck.
Scored on the power play by number 96. Assisted by number 9.
Team Italy's got a hold of it against the wall and tries to make a diagonal pass to Frank.
Time of the goal.
Sends the pass over. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Shoots it on the backhand. Blocker save. Here's a shot. Oh, and another big stop.
Oh, he followed the puck really well there. A couple of good stops.
Team Latvia's turned good defense into good offense as they lead it early in this third period. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Slides the puck over. Takes it across the blue line. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Here's a short pass to Frank. With the puck under siege. Can he get out of the zone here? Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Takes a shot with the stop. We're still in the early stages of this period. We've got a 2-1 game. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Oh, Ray, he's got to hit the net.
He gets everything on. Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Well, the officials have tried to keep things in line, and yet another penalty called here. Tripping is the call. Did he sell, or is that the right one in your mind?
I think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed, and the stick gets into his feet.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
Well, you're always looking for scoring chances. You're not going to get anything better than this. A power play trailing by 1. Chance to even the score up here on the power play.
And that one's turned away. And manages to clear the zone. Italy's got the puck along the wall. Takes the return feed. Along the half wall with the puck. Picks off the feed. Gets it out of his own end. Comes out to play the puck. Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. And manages to clear the zone. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves it around along the half wall. Into the corner now. A little bumping around, but still maintains possession. Lays into the body on the play. Italy's got possession here in the offensive zone. Takes the pass. Ahead. Scores! The power play delivers big time.
Puck moved quickly. The players moved quickly. That's a terrific goal, taking advantage of the extra man. He's in the bumper position in the middle of the slot. They move the puck around and find him in the middle, and he makes no mistake.
Team Italy's counter-punched back to even things up in the third.
There were times it looked like they weren't going to get back to this point, but now you've made it a sprint to the finish.
Face-off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. On the attack along the boards. Turns it aside with the pad. Takes the feed. Up along the wing. Handles it along the blue line. Moves the puck. Nice pass. Takes the feed. Settles things down and gets control of it once again. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Looks to set up along the point.
You put this kind of pressure on, eventually they can't chase you anymore. Now he's got room to carry the puck.
Makes the stop with the blocker.
Smothered that in close chance.
Here's a sprint for the loose puck. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Nearing the midway mark of the period. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Unable to reach that one. Latvia's got the puck along the boards. Receives the pass. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Puts one on net, and he makes the save. Italy's gained possession along the boards. Through center along the wing. Sends the pass over. Puts it on net. Denies him on the play.
Save is good. Better yet that rebound doesn't stay in front of the net. It's over to safety in the corner.
And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Shot, and that goes wide. Moves behind the net. Back to the blue line. That goes wide. Team Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Look out! Takes it across the blue line. With possession along the wall. Rips it from the blue line. Blocked in traffic. And that pass is stolen. Shot takes it right in the chest. And there official stopping the play. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Grabs the puck and looks to make something happen. Brilliant save, read it perfectly. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Back to the point it goes. Slides the puck over. Oh, just a textbook hit. He says, let's get physical on that play. Look out, a 2-on-1. Takes control of the puck. Wrister, and an easy glove save on the play.
Frank's able to get everything behind this hit. He really lays one on here.
Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Here he is, wristed on net. Stopped by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Over the line they come. Steps into it, and a great save. They fight for it along the boards. Scoops up the puck here. Good defensive stop with the poke check. Pass back to the point. Sends a pass over. And he slides it quickly to Gergensons. Makes the save. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. Oh, you can't miss that.
Somehow I got 408, James. You don't get any if you don't hit the net. Get it on target, man.
Team Latvia is ready to go on the attack. Dialed in on that stop. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Here they are on the attack. Quick shot, glove save, quick reflexes.
Gonna take just one mistake now, and this game will probably be decided. It's not there. That's an outstanding save.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. It's all tied up. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Handles the puck. Sets up from Gretzky's office. Comes up with the stop. Save made by the goalie.
Had to be sharp. That's a grade A chance.
Frank's got on the offensive end. Into the corner of the attacking area. And we got a delayed penalty coming up here. Quick pass to Larkin. Slides the puck down low. Hammers a shot. No room for that one to get through. The one-time blast. Shuts it down. What a stop. And the officials stop the play. Let's see what the call is. Boarding the call on the play.
Judgment call always for the official. Is it okay to make the play? Or is he a little overzealous, which is what he was called there?
Another sense of urgency for this man advantage unit as they go back to work.
I guess the power play's been okay, James, but in a moment like this, you're looking for them to step up. So you want the puck under control, you want to be patient, and you want to take the high percentage shot.
I think it's a chance for a breather here as he hangs on and covers the puck up.
Who, for the players or for you?
Well, you know, I won't complain. Here in the late goings of the period, we got a tie game. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play by covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Jostling for the puck, but still maintains possession. Gets it out of his own end. Italy's got the puck along the wall. Team Italy's got a hold of the puck. Moves the puck along the half wall. Gains control of the puck here at the blue line. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. Looks like a trip. Here comes the call. And he's heading to the box for 2 for tripping on this one.
This is such a bad penalty to take because you put yourself in a bad spot. A player falls down. Now you're cooked. You go to the box.
Well, he's got 2 minutes to think about it now. And with the call, it's a huge opportunity for the power play, a 5-on-3.
There's been a lot of ugly moments on this power play tonight, James, but they've got another.
Scores! And the deadlock is broken!
Well, what a crushing goal to give up. But the other guys worked hard for it. They pressed the play, and now they've got the lead. Quick shot on the first attempt, but that rebound came right back to him. And he's able to settle it, put it into the net before anyone else can stop him.
Italy's gone ahead here by 1 in the third. What's the message now for the stretch run, Ray?
To be aggressive. Too often teams sit back on their heels. They give up a chance. They give up a power play. Pretty soon it's an all-out scramble.
Pass right on the doorstep. Big time glove save. Latvia's running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Sends it over. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Getting into the later stages of this period, Italy's got the momentum with a 1-goal lead. They'd love to add to that. Puck is dropped and we are back underway. Takes the pass. Takes the feed. And that clangs off the iron. Denied by the goaltender. Passes right to the front. Knocked away. Goalie plays it up. And manages to clear the zone. Power play set to expire. One last chance here, Ray.
Yeah, quick entry will give them some time in the offensive zone.
Here they come on the attack. Hangs onto the puck. Slides the puck near the front of the net. With the stop.
I like the goalie's positioning here. He was aggressive enough to make a save on a dangerous chance.
Unleashes a cannon. Airmails it.
Did he ever? He's got to bring that down a couple of feet.
Inside of the last minute here in this third. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Right up front, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Here's a chance. Slides it across. Goaltender has made his way to the bench. The extra attacker's out. They need a goal here big time. Carries it in. Moved out in front, and that one's broken up. They've got numbers to his teammate. And as he opts to freeze the puck, we get a whistle.
Starting to look like a little bit of a fire drill in the zone, so this is a good play.
The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Takes the feed at the back end. The lane was plugged up, and that shot's blocked. Takes a hit, but still hangs on to the puck. Moves the puck. Here's a shot. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest.
Man, the teams have been going at each other since the very beginning of this hockey game. Nobody is back down. The body contact level has stayed extremely high.
Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. And that will close the book on this one here tonight.
Well, they'll look at it and say, hey, we controlled play at certain points. We had a better face-off percentage, but just not enough.
Hooray, Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. Thanks so much for joining us, everybody. Have a great night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.